Hey everybody, it's Tiffany and Arl and the Patio Gardeners. And Tiffany, we've got some nice garden beds planted here, but what is it that we're worried about?
Critters.
Critters eating our plants, and what specifically? What kind of critters?
Our biggest problem is squirrels, and then we have also wild bunnies, and then the birds like to come for the seeds.
Yeah. So we've got some solution. Here we have erected some chicken wire, and we're also going to put some bird netting over top of this to protect our seedlings when they're really young, at least. So let's show the ingredients. So one is you need chicken wire.
This
obviously.
is just a 1-inch chicken wire.
You're also going to need to cut it with pliers that have a sharp part, so you can cut through there.
Wire cutter.
Wire cutters is sometimes what they're called, and a staple gun. Okay, we've stapled this all the way around, and you can tell it's still bowing out here. So we have the solution, one of these poles that we're actually just going to stick in to prop up the edge of this chicken wire. All right, so we just put up the chicken wire for all 4 of our garden beds, and Tiffany, we have beds that are what, about 8 foot by 3 feet?
Yes.
So it took about 100 feet of chicken wire to do it. Now, the last step that we've done is we have this bird netting. It's 1 centimeter bird netting, and we're going to use that on the top of these guys to protect the seedlings, because there's seeds in addition to the plants that you can see here. There's seeds that we've planted. We don't want when those little shoots to come up. They're really sweet for birds. Birds love them when they're really, really young. So what we've done is we put this bird netting here, and we've just attached it with clothespins here to just protect for the next couple weeks to prevent birds from eating our little seedlings, and then eventually they'll be less tasty and as they get bigger and less interesting to birds. So we'll take the netting off. Pollinators won't have trouble getting in, but we'll still have this chicken wire to prevent from what were the things?
Rabbits and squirrels.
Rabbits and squirrels. All right, well, that's what we've got to protect our plants from critters. Feel free to subscribe for more tutorials and updates on our garden. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye.